Hello friends, this is a Jigsawcard Solitaire puzzle game chapter 2. Level 30 hard is here. It is quite a little not clear, right? This is chapter 2, 5th level it is. Chapter 2, 5th level it is, but here it is saying level 30 means 25 up to 25 went under chapter 1. Here it is chapter 2. And up to 6 by 6, 36. Up to 36 I have solved, so this should not be that complicated because nice. So roof is roof. Not here.
Nice.
Wow. Yes, I yes, unmuted the voices so you can hear my voice as well as the game voice. Oops, quite unexpected. Okay, it was from there. Nice. Rocks and roof and garden and flower and kitchen.
Nice.
Good to hear. That sound. So wooden furniture and this and that. Looks like this house will be a little here. And this part. No. I'm doing some mess up. Okay, these 5 are fixed here, right? So this one here. And alright, this one here. Okay, let's think more and act precisely so that it takes much time in thinking. Why am I always in hurry like that? I think less.
Nice.
And I try to act more, and not always we succeed.
Perfect. Excellent. Excellent.
Much faster it is going, right? Hard level it was. Oh, short video chance is gone already. 3 minutes. Yes, I will write.
Excellent.
So yes, the part.
Excellent.
All right, finished.